Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Pisces, let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Pisces, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Pisces, I have the World, the Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Two of Pentacles, the Devil, center of my spread, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Eight of Coins, and the Two of Wands. Bottom of my deck, I have a lot of stress. So who is this person who is in this devil energy and very, very stressed out? Maybe something about starting or maybe giving a commitment. Things may have come to an end. There could have been a fight. Maybe one person dropped the other. So there is a bit of anger, fear, resentment, I don't know what, regarding the stagnancy that's happened in this connection. So let's see what's going on, Pisces. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Then, of course, I'll clarify all these cards and see what it wants to say. So, Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Pisces, and if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person spirit. One more. All right, good. Let's take a couple more from the third deck as well, Pisces, and then we'll start your reading. Pisces and their person. Thank you. Good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, the endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you in return. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell that I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. Damn. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. Being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. Darling, you are mine. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. Every night, I just want to be home. Home is in your arms. Now, this is the second card, second reference to somebody feeling that their person is home to them. Okay, so let's see. Next card says, I've always loved you and I always will. From the very first moment I looked into your eyes, I knew that you were my eternal love. Let's talk and clear the air. Please make time for me. You're all I desire. All right, Pisces, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, and then we'll go to the clarifications. So, for Pisces, my angels, emotions. Before I could even ask, so somebody is going through the dark night of the soul right now, Pisces. Somebody is totally in their head, in the darkness, thoughts going round and round, probably about some unwise decisions that they made. And because of that, maybe things have stagnated. Okay, where did I keep the stand? Oh, here it is. All right. So, Pisces, let's begin. What's this world card, Spirit, for Pisces and their person? Things ended, I think, because one person just wanted to have a friends with benefits kind of a connection. Yes, things ended because of somebody's player ways. Somebody was inconsistent, maybe they were in and out, they didn't want to commit, and maybe their partner got fed up and said, hey, if you're just going to treat me like an option, if you're just going to trot in and out whenever you want, and yes, it's exciting when you're here, but it's depressing when I don't know where we're going, right? So I think this connection may have come to a ending because of somebody's player ways. Maybe the other person asked for commitment or was expecting commitment. 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles, Spirit. 10 of Pentacles. Yes, the other person was looking for a long-term partnership, something that could go the long haul. It made them very depressed because this connection was probably not, moving the way it should have. And came to a point where somebody had these dreams, but I think had to drop them. 10 of Wands in reverse. I'm not carrying this baggage anymore. I'm the only one carrying the responsibility for this connection. Where's my person? They're on that horse, that red horse, that red horse with their wand, and they trot in, trot out, and leave all the trouble to me because I'm left here always stressing, being by myself half the time. So it could have led to a fight as well, Pisces. Knight of Swords in reverse. Maybe some harsh words were spoken here, or there could have been an argument, and the feeling of this can't be love. This can't be love. My person is a cheat, liar. They sneak away from me, and I'm the only one putting in work. And each time I ask them to do their share of the load, they run away. Right? So there could have been an argument or a fight or some harsh words that were spoken, and instead of actually saying, yes, I'm going to show you that I care, or I'm going to put the work in, this person could have run away. So 2 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 2 of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles. Yes, I think somebody is now giving up hope. They're giving up hope. There's no clarity in this connection anyway. One person feels their person is a liar, always cheats on them. So I think they're coming to that place where I'm dropping this connection altogether. I am leaving all this conflict behind, and I now want to move to a calmer, happier space in my life. I'm not dealing with somebody who's going to be inconsistent. So now, Spirit, what's this devil here? What's this devil doing here? One more. Okay, one more. The other person, I think the one who was the player, is now not happy with any third parties, or not happy that things are not working out between, this Queen of Swords, who's now in reverse. Maybe they feel they've lost this Queen's trust now. Maybe they feel this Queen is very upset and angry with them. They feel things are just not, you guys are not on the same, same page anymore. Things are not working out. It's actually making somebody very depressed now. That, they feel embarrassed and ashamed, I guess, of their own actions, of the way they maybe have treated this Queen and how they ran away, and now they are kind of missing them because nothing else is really exciting them anymore. This person could be feeling a little knocked off their pedestal right now, but I do see them wishing and hoping to rebuild the tower which exploded. They want to do something to restart this connection, but there is a lot of stagnancy right now. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, there's a lot of heartbreak because of this, and because of that, there's stagnancy. I think now they're feeling very ungrounded, feeling very, very ungrounded. I think they want to be. I think they're more ungrounded because they feel their person doesn't seem very worried about not being with them. They feel my person is not looking like they are missing me. They're not looking like they are upset that, I'm no longer in their life. In fact, I see my person as single, beautiful, doing very well for themselves. And the more they're seeing them like this, the more they are getting shaken. Their stability, their own mental stability, I think, is getting shaken. And now, I guess, they are in the heartbreak. They expected this queen to be sitting in heartbreak, but they're saying the opposite thing. Hey, this person doesn't seem to be losing sleep over this breakup. And that's kind of really frustrating this person who was remember the Knight of Wands? Now they're in reverse. So this is frustration, this is anger, this is wanting to create some drama or just ruffle feathers or something like that. In reality, I think this person does want things to work out. Knight of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Knight of Wands in reverse, yes. They're frustrated because they want to come back. Simple as that. They really, really want to return, or they want their person to return, or they want this connection to return, and they are getting frustrated by the minute. So what's this Eight of Pentacles, Spirit? Are they planning to put in any work? Eight of Pentacles. They want to put in the work. They want to put in the work, but right now they are unable to take action. Because I think they're going through some bad karma maybe in their own life because of the way they've treated this queen. Or they could be fearing, this queen has judged them now. They may not get a second chance here to go back to the way things were because maybe now they're recognizing their own selfish and insensitive behavior. This person is sitting in a lot of regret and guilt, a lot of sorrow about how things were destroyed in a beautiful connection. So they could be planning something. What's this Two of Wands, Spirit? What's this Two of Wands? Okay, one more. One more. Oh my God, really? This person has, heart of hearts, lost hope. I'll be honest with you, Pisces. They are thinking now. They are thinking, what do I do? What do I do? How can I bring justice back into this connection? They are in love. Somebody is in love. They have a lot of love. Maybe they just have a little difficulty in showing their love because, as the first card said, I mean, you can force me to ask me how I feel. I can't just come out and say it. Maybe this person has a bit of difficulty in expressing their innermost feelings. Heart of hearts, I'll tell you how they feel. Two of Cups. This person already knows that this queen is their Two of Cups. This is the divinely guided connection. This is their soulmate. And the more they're thinking about that, they're going under depression because now they're not sure whether they can get a second chance or not. Yes, they will be coming. They will be coming. But Pisces, if you're expecting a cup of love or roses or chocolates, it may not come in that package. So they may reach out or they may say something directly or indirectly, maybe in a very, Knight of Swords kind of way, which is not very romantic. But heart of hearts, what they want to express is, why can't you love me back? I want you back. I love you. All right. So yes, they could be rushing in sooner or later. They don't want to lose you. They don't want to lose. They're manifesting you back. Heart of hearts, this person knows you're the one. They're absolutely not happy about the fact that they, refused a beautiful future with you. They see you in a beautiful light as the Queen of Wands, sexy, beautiful, loving, caring, everything, dynamic, turning heads wherever you go. And the more they're seeing you like this, they're losing more and more hope because stagnancy is more and more, and they're just overthinking this connection like how. Yes, this person wants to rush in yesterday. If they haven't already, they are gearing up the strength. Give them a little time. They're going through a bit of karma. They have to learn that lesson first, Pisces, because you don't want to repeat a cycle, do you? Okay, so you continue being your beautiful self, your queen, your nine, whoever's in this Nine of Pentacles energy, single, abundant, doing very well for themselves, and maybe that's their lesson, that they can't take people for granted, right? So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.